we have a shopping haul. We went to Whole Foods, we went to Costco, and we went to a major grocery store here called Winco, and we had gotten our Costco rebate check, so we went out there and we spent it really big. So I'm going to show you what we got. Okay, this is a combination of Whole Foods, Costco, and one of our major grocery stores here. So got some pasta and a big bag of lemons. Got some of my favorite beer. Got some English muffins. Some diced tomatoes. A bag of russet potatoes. There's some low-fat sour cream there. Got some Tillamook cheese. A Corona beer. Got some orange juice. Some Better Than Eggs. And some milk. Slide over here. I got some Stella, that's the director's favorite beer. Got some dried onion, some vitamin D, some acetaminophen, and that's a big bottle of vitamin C back there. Got some toilet paper. Those are garbanzo beans in that brown paper bag from Whole Foods. There's my daily, my facial towelettes that I like to use to take my makeup off. Then we got a bunch of Kleenex, some waffles, some baby aspirin, the 81 milligram, good for your heart. Got some coffee. Got a bunch of mixed vegetables here. We've got lima, broccoli, sweet corn, and there's some peas in there, and string beans. And then I've got a bag of fresh spinach, a big beautiful bunch of asparagus that was on sale today, a big batch of curly kale, and I believe that is it. Thank goodness we got our Costco check this week, because we certainly spent it and then some. So that's the haul. Thanks a lot. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.